Today it is all about the prancing horse, the 288 GTO prancing horse to be exact. It's on deck. So let's get to it and check it out. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. We're taking a look at the Ferrari 288 GTO kit from Fujimi. You'll notice on the box it says 250 parts. There's a lot of parts for a Fujimi kit. You are indeed correct. That's because this was one of the enthusiast kits. This was initially released in 1987 as in the enthusiast series, as part of that series. It got a couple of reissues between its first initial release in 87 through 2008. Then between 2010, 2015, there's a couple of reissues done with as race car versions or with race car liveries. And then once again in 2015, it got the reissue with the new box. And this will be the one that got reissued in 2015. So you're getting a Fujimi enthusiast kit without the enthusiast markings. So with that, let's get to it and check it out. And getting started with the body. And we'll get started now with some more body parts, trees, and other bits and pieces that are molded in white. Piece right here. You have the engine cover, the front trunk lid, boot lid, deck something lid. And now we'll get started with the first of the chassis suspension parts trees and interior parts tree. First the chassis, the top side. And one of the, call it engine parts trees. And another one of the engine parts trees, which contains some other bits as well. Moving on to the next of the chassis and interior parts trees. Now the clear parts tree. Now take a look at the wheels and tires. Also, you can see there are some screws that are included as well. And the chrome parts tree. And finally, the window mask and decal sheet. First, window mask sheet. Pretty simple. The rear window looks like in the side windows. Again, being Fujimi, they're not pre-cut, so you have to cut them out yourself. And the decal sheet. So that's going to do it for this look at the Ferrari 288 GTO kit from Fujimi Models. Now note that it's telling you to not use the engine parts, and there are no instructions in here included on building the engine. Doesn't mean that doesn't mean that has to stop you from building and using the engine in your build. And of course, if you want to get some Ferrari color match paint to build this with, to use for this one, pretty sure James and Scalefinishes can get that for you. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.